Today we're going to use AutoCAD to solve vector math. The problem we're going to solve has a vector 1 of 27 units, 30 degrees above the horizontal, has a vector 2 that's 21 units, that forms a 3, 4, 5 perfect triangle off to the left. We're going to use these particular steps. We're going to go to AutoCAD, we're going to open up the engineering drawing background, we're going to save it under a new name, we're going to zoom in just to the text, we're going to edit each one of the text blocks so it has the right homework assignment. We're going to zoom out. We're going to draw the first vector, which will start anywhere on the page. We're going to draw it out. Because it is too big to fit on a piece of paper, we're going to divide all the forces by 10. So instead of being 27, it'll be 2.7. So we'll draw the first one at 2.7 at 30 degrees. We're going to draw the second line by clicking on the end of that line. And remember, it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, so we can very quickly know that it's a 12.6, 16.8, and 21 long. But remember, we're going to divide that by 10, so it's going to be minus 1.26 to the left and 1.68 up. Once we do that, the next step is we're going to copy that line from where it is out to the new position. We're going to draw a line from the tip to the tail. That will be the resultant. We're going to do a list. We're going to find out how long it was. And when it reports it as 3.21, we know it's actually divided by 10, so it's actually 32 long. It's going to give us the angle of where it appears. We're going to type in text to fill in. We're going to fill in the text for V1, V2, and resultant. And then we're going to hit the print button, and we'll either print it out to a PDF file or to an actual printer to be turned in. The resulting answer should look something like it does right there on the page right there. And if you have any questions, please contact me by email. The second video here will be all this being done in AutoCAD.